The duck family. Once there was a family of ducks who lived near a calm pond. Mama duck, Papa duck, and their two little ducklings, Sam and Jenny, loved to be together and explore their home. One sunny day, while Mama duck was teaching Jenny and Sam how to swim, Sam accidentally got swept away by a fast-moving current. The family became very scared and worried. Papa Duck bravely took the lead, determined to help Sam. They followed Sam along the stream, making loud quacking sounds to let him know they were there. Eventually, they reached Sam and gathered around him in a circle, keeping him safe and protected. Grateful and safe, the family realized the importance of sticking together through tough times. They returned to their cozy pond, never straying too far again. The moral of the story is that love and unity is the most valuable thing in the life. The Selfish Lion. Once upon a time, there was a mighty lion named Leo who ruled over the jungle. Leo was strong and proud, but he had a big problem. He was very selfish. He never shared his food or played with other animals. One day, a kind rabbit named Rosie approached Leo. "Dear Leo," she said, "we should all live in harmony and help each other." Leo didn't listen and ignored Rosie's words. But one day, a hunter trapped Leo in a net. He roared for help, but no one came. Rosie, filled with compassion, gathered all the animals. Together, they freed Leo and chased away the hunter. Leo was grateful and realized the importance of friendship and unity. From that day on, Leo changed. He became a caring and generous king. He shared his food, played with the other animals, and protected them all. The moral of the story is that kindness and cooperation make us stronger and happier. of Grace. Once upon a time, in a vibrant grassland called Enchanted Meadows, there lived a friendly giraffe named Grace. Grace had the longest neck in the whole animal kingdom. She loved reaching the sweet leaves at the top of the trees and sharing them with other animals. One day, a mischievous monkey named Max noticed Grace's kindness and thought of a naughty plan. He started teasing Grace for having such a long neck, calling her stretchy giraffe. Grace felt sad and thought there was something wrong with her. But one wise old turtle named Terry saw what was happening and decided to help. Terry approached Grace and said, "Grace, your long neck is a special gift. You can reach high places and share delicious food with others. Don't let anyone make you feel bad about it." Grace realized that Terry was right. She began to embrace her uniqueness and continued to share the leaves with her friends. The other animals soon realized the value of Grace's long neck and appreciated her even more. The moral of this story is that we should celebrate our differences and see them as strengths. Just like Grace, we all have unique qualities that make us special. It's important to be proud of who we are and never let others bring us down. The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, lived a clever little ant named Annie, and a lazy grasshopper named Gary. Annie worked tirelessly, collecting food and preparing for the winter, while Gary spent his days singing, playing violin and enjoying the sunshine. When winter arrived, the meadow turned cold and food became scarce. Annie had plenty of food stored, but Gary had nothing. He went to Annie, shivering and hungry, asking for help. Annie, being kind-hearted, shared her food with Gary. But she also taught him an important lesson. While I worked hard, you wasted your time. It's important to be prepared for the future. Gary realized his mistake and promised to change. From that day on, he joined Annie in collecting food and preparing for the next winter. The moral of this story: hard work and preparation lead to success, while laziness can bring hardship.